Hello, today I'm going to show you on how to install a new PHP on your local host. So first, we will download a new pack of PHP. So let's go to the phpbb.com, and as you see there's a menu downloads. Click it and click download latest. So after you download, copy the zip file and paste it on the SAM. Go to htdocs and create a new folder named phpbb tutorial and paste it here. So right click the zip file and extract. Click extract here. And then after that, click the folder phpbb3 and copy all, and we will transfer it here. So paste it here. So find the phpbb3 folder and the phpbb3 zip file. So delete this one, these two, sorry. And after that, we will install. First, we will create a new database named phpbb tutorial. Now we already have a new database, phpbb tutorial. Let's install the phpbb now. So the name of our folder, phpbb tutorial / install. Now on the top, click install, then click proceed to next, then start install. So the database name is phpbb tutorial, and it's localhost, and here it's phpbb tutorial, and the username, root, and I don't have a password on my database, so I will not put a password. So here it's the prefix of the tables for phpbb. So this one is the default prefix. So it's up to you if you will change it. Then proceed to next step. Then click this, and we will set an admin password and username. So mine is admin and then password. And admin mail.com. then click again, proceed to next step, then proceed to next step again, and then here click proceed to next step. So just wait for a second. It's on the process. So after that, click this again, proceed to next step. There's the levels of installation. So we are now on creating database tables. So just wait because PHPBB has many tables. And then click login. This is the final stage. So let's click this one, send statistical information. So go to the ACP start page. And now there's a warning because it is a new installation. So first, we must remove the installation folder or the install folder or rename it. So it's better to remove or delete the folder. So we will go to the PHP tutorial on the SAMP and delete the install folder. After that, we will refresh and there's another one. Your config file is currently Word writable. So what we're gonna do now is change the permission of the config file and right click and then properties and click read only on the attributes and then apply or OK. So now it's okay. Now we already installed a new PHPBB. If you want to go to the board, just click board index. And then if you are an administrator, you can log in on the bottom. You can click it. For example, here. For example, you are not logged in yet, so you can log in as an administrator by fill upping here. and then you can click this one, administrator control panel, and this is a confirmation that you are a surely administrator. So now you will be redirected to the administrator page. That's all.